Hi friends, Australia Cricket Board announced the name of 15 players secured for World Cup 2019. Aaron Finch lead the team of Australia in World Cup 2019. Steven Smith and Warner back in World Cup 2019. If friends you are new visitor on this channel, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for latest cricket update. Let's see 15 players name for World Cup 2019 Australia secured. Number 1, Captain Aaron Finch. Number 2, opening batsman Usman Khawaja. Number 3, Steven Smith. And number 4, Nathan Coulter. Number 5, Pat Cummins. Number 6, Jason Brandreth. And number 7, Shaun Marsh. Number 8, David Warner back in World Cup. Number 9, Adam Zampa. And number 10, Mitchell Starc. Number 11, Nathan Lyon. Number 12, J. Richard Dawson. Number 13, Alex Carey, wicketkeeper of Australia team. Number 14, Marcus Stoinis. And 15 number, Glenn Maxwell. To friends, these 15 players participate in World Cup 2019 and lead the Australia team, Aaron Finch. Goodbye.